President, right above 2 and Lima.
Calma, autorizado a despegar pisados 5 izquierda.
Spanair 2590, buenas tardes, continúe viento, calma, le llamo número 2.
Lead 933 Golf, hello sir. Taxi holding point, runway 25 left, Mike Echo and Kilo taxiway. Clear to cross runway 20, nothing new.
Clear holding position 25 left via Mike Echo and Kilo and we are clear to cross runway 02, which is nothing new, 7 and 9 and 2 Golf.
Vamos.
Buenas tardes, 1127, 10 días, final 25
1127, buenas tardes, continúe viento, calma, le llamo.
Continuamos.
F733, clear to run runway 25 right, wind calm.
Land 25 right, Italian 5150.
Morning, Portugal 731 on Mike to Delta, Mike 7.
Portugal 731, hello sir. Taxi 25 left, Mike Echo and Kilo taxiway. Clear to cross runway 20, nothing new.
Continue taxi Mike Echo Kilo to the holding point 25 left, and clear to cross runway 20, nothing new, Portugal 731.
Please, break, sensor for 133, please try to expedite traffic on short final, thank you. 3 ground 125, adiós. Sería 41 Romeo Lima, autorizado a aterrizar 25 derecha, calma.
Sí, derecha derecha, 4 Lima.
510, buenas tardes, continue approach, wind calm, cayó. 1127, autorizado a aterrizar 25 derecha, calma.
Autorizado a aterrizar 25 derecha, no, 17.
Descend 6000 QNH 1020.
1020, 360 to the right and descending 6,000 feet, are now from 840.